Wow! Good morning, afternoon, evening. It's TAKOTIME. Hello, everyone! Is salt a spice? No, salt is a mineral. You know, if you think about it, salt is kind of funny. There is sodium, a soft metal that will literally explode on you at the slightest contact with water. There's chlorine, poisonous gas, literally used in wars in the past. And you go, ugh! Put them together. And then you get something that seasons your porridge. Yeah, I remember every time in chemistry class, I feel like you guys will also agree, like, the chemistry teacher always wants to kind of like show off to the students, because it is pretty cool. They're like, yeah, so we do have a little bit of pure sodium, and we will show you how reactive it is. And they like cut off like the tiniest bit of sodium. They put it in a little dish with water. They're like, watch. And everyone just like gathers around the table, and then it like goes on fire, and you're just like, whoa, wow. And the chemistry teacher's like, yeah, that's right. It's very dangerous, very dangerous. To be honest, the most fun part about science is the lab work. Not the lab report that comes after, but the actual experiment. Because I remember, this was in university, I think. One of the chemistry classes, our assignment was to literally brew tea. Brew tea as thick as possible. I don't know how else I would word it. And then extract all of the caffeine out of the tea. And I still remember that experiment because I remember it was a long one and it was a fun one. Very highly concentrated tea. And then in the end, I was left with this weird white powder. And that was when I realized, oh, it's actually quite a lot. Yeah, black tea has a lot of caffeine, if you guys didn't know. Actually, some of the tea has like rivaling amounts of caffeine as coffee. Some of the coffees. So, if you're an enjoyer of black tea, you gotta be careful, because if you don't drink tea, you might start getting caffeine headaches, and you'll be like, oh no! I was healthy drinking tea. Why am I getting these headaches? Little do you know, you're drenched in caffeine. Yes, yeah, thank you. Until next time.